Hello and welcome to the cloud. You have possibly seen computer vision in action. You might have even used it. But what really is it? Computer vision is an area of AI that deals with visual processing. Let's explore some possibilities that computer vision brings. Many smartphones use image classification to automatically sort and organize photos. For instance, photos can be grouped into categories such as beach, food, pets, or people. When you search for beach in your photo gallery, the app quickly retrieves all relevant images without you having to manually label them. That is image classification in action. Most computer vision solutions are based on machine learning models that can be applied to visual input from cameras, videos, or images. Another thing could be that you are in a place like Instagram, Snapchat, or TikTok, and there are a lot of filters, right? You use filters to change your face, to put on caps, and you can apply other effects within images or photos. This is done in real time, making the user experience interactive and fun. This is a computer vision capability called object detection. Another type of computer vision capability you must have experienced and have used could be semantic segmentation. What does that mean? Have you ever had to remove or change your background during a video conference call? That is semantic segmentation in action. It allows you to blur your background, replace it with maybe a virtual background without needing any technical setup. You might have also used the computer vision capability of image analysis. Have you ever had automatic taggings on your photos? For example, if you took a photo at a wedding, the app might tag it wedding, celebration, or family to make it easier for you to search. Apps like Google Photo use image analysis to automatically tag photos based on their contents. Another computer vision model is face detection, analysis, and recognition. Have you ever had to use your face to unlock your smartphone? Many smartphones today use face detection and recognition to unlock the device. By analyzing the user's facial features, the phone can quickly and securely verify the user's identity, providing a confident and secure way to access their device without needing to enter a password. That is computer vision in action. Finally, OCR, Optical Character Recognition. You might have used an app like Cam Scanner to scan a document and then even convert it to an editable and searchable text. This is particularly useful if you want to digitize printed material such as receipts, business cards, or forms, and it allows you to easily store and retrieve information on your phone. This is another example of computer vision in action. Kindly drop a comment on the type of computer vision you have used. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.